Welcome, and thank you everyone for coming tonight to BYHS Yeshiva's High School Open House. Tonight, history is being made, and all of us are in those photographs. So be sure to smile.
There are, I'm going to guesstimate, a few hundred people here because clearly you've asked for something more. Since its inception, BYHS has been challenging the status quo and moving the bar on education. At BYHS, students don't just learn information, they love it, live it, and learn to lead with it. And tonight we launch that vision, that mission, and that direction on a high school level in response to the community asking not why are you starting a high school, but instead, what took you so long? We've reimagined what it is to learn in a Judaic Studies class. Instead of sitting at a desk and having the teacher give over the knowledge and the content and the information and you taking notes to spit it back, we're going to have a Bet Midrash style of learning for both the boys and the girls. When you have self-confidence, have a strong identity, and you know who you are and you're not afraid of who you are, then you can be successful. We don't teach content. We teach people. Because you guys sit at the center. Anti-Zionism, anti-Semitism, BDS, we want to empower you to be able to navigate those challenges.
BYHS Yeshiva High School has partnered with Machon Lev, Jerusalem College of Technology, to offer our students college classes in the 9th grade in data analytics. And we are planning for a 12th grade experience in Israel where students will spend some of their second semester learning, growing, and touring the country. We're talking about high school being formative 4 years of a person's life, where you discover who you are, you discover what your passions are, you discover what makes you special. The real world has real problems, and they rely on you reaching out to all of your skills in order to handle those problems.
Let's put it together.
The journey has officially begun.